I have an issue with my Line 6 Spider 4. It's a 150 watts stereo amplifier. So I took it out of I took the head out of the amplifier of the combo. The problem is every time I turn the amp on, or randomly when I'm playing and when a guitar is plugged, I will get extremely loud crackles. So now you can see that there is no guitar plugged into the amplifier, and I'm going to turn it on and you will hear the crackles, and it's the exact same crackle will happen while I'm playing and will randomly happen while I'm playing. You've heard these crackles? Here again. These are very loud crackles. You can hear. I turn it off. I turn it back on again. Okay, now there is no more crackles. I don't know what's the cause of these crackles, because I haven't seen anything that could I haven't seen anything looking bad, you know. I haven't seen any blown capacitors. I haven't seen anything. I don't know what's going on with that amp. I don't know why it crackles that much and so often. And well, I need to repair it. If anybody's got an idea, just tell me what you think that is.